In front of me is POCO M7, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use one-handed mode. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling all the way down right away. Now tap on Additional Settings. And when you're ready, select one-handed mode available here. Finally, click on gray switcher next to one-handed mode to activate it, and follow all of those instructions. Turn on one-handed mode by swiping left or right from the center of the navigation panel. So when I do that, one-handed mode is working properly. To go back, you can either swipe up or click on this area at the top. To disable one-handed mode completely, click on the same now blue switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!